Hey everyone, it's Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am here with a candle lamp review of Toasted Coconut Cupcake. So just a disclaimer before we get started, I did burn this one time, but this is mostly going to be a review of this candle under the crock. So I won't be talking about burn performance, I'll just be talking about candle performance under the crock. So let's get into it. This is a Bath & Body Works 3-wick candle, Toasted Coconut Cupcake. It is still available on the Bath & Body Works website. The day I'm filming this, it is on sale for $14.50. So, FYI. I really had to search for it on the Bath & Body Works website. It did not come up under the word toasted. I literally searched coconut cupcake and then it came up. So, not sure what the deal is with that. Okay. Let's get into it, starting with the scent notes. The notes are sweet coconut, toasted almonds, fluffy vanilla cake. So obviously what they're going for is a cupcake type of scent here. What do I think it smells like? I feel like I get all of those notes. But if I didn't know that those were the notes, I would just assume there's like a toasted coconut type of scent and then some kind of cake bakery type scent. I'm not getting any frosting. I would say I'm predominantly getting a toasted coconut. I wouldn't even really say I'm getting like a super fluffy cake. And the almonds maybe just making it like a little bit nuttier, but mostly toasted coconut with a hint of bakery. As you can see, I'm right about like here with the candle. So going under the lamp, it's pooled maybe about an inch or so. We do have some buildup on the side from just like pouring off, but I find that happens with most of my 3-wick candles just because they don't quite funnel up like a Goose Creek or a Yankee would where it melts that top layer. So it's fine, it's not a big deal to me. This has been going for maybe like 3 to 4 hours, and so that is why I feel like I have such a good pool going. But it's not, let's talk about the performance for a second. The strength is maybe like a medium. I wouldn't say it's overly strong. I find it's personally just like a nice background candle. I'm honestly not like, if I have this going, I can't have anything else going. It just kind of blends into whatever's going on because none of the notes overly stand out to me personally. But I mean, if you were mixing it with maybe like another coconut bakery scent, maybe that would help enhance it, like a sweet plum pastry, something like that. But I don't find that I'm just, every breath I take, wow, it's so yummy, it's so fragrant. It's more of like a medium. When I leave the room, when I come back in, I can smell it. As I'm lingering through the room, it's not like overly scented. However, this specific lamp is kind of near one of my air vents, so I do feel like that helps throw around the scent a little bit better when the air is running. Right now it is off, so I don't feel like I'm getting as much throw around the room. We do have an air system where it turns on and runs at least 25 minutes every hour if it's not running the air, just to help circulate the air. So I do find that helps with my candles kind of throw around a little bit better when the wax is melted. At the current time of this video though, it is off, so I feel like it's kind of just at that medium level of scent. So the throw also is maybe a little bit at a medium. I feel like this candle is generally filling like the living room, maybe a little bit into the kitchen dining area, not up the stairs, not like into the bedroom. It's not like totally blowing me out of the house. Like I said, not every breath I take. It's not traveling as far as some of my candles. When the air is on, it does travel a little bit farther just with the air blowing around. But on its own, it's not a boomer, I would say. Would I repurchase this? Honestly, on cold, I was like, I love this, I need more. I honestly don't know that I would purchase more of this. Also, now that I'm really kind of getting into fall, I kind of find like I'm over these types of scents. This is more like very late summer scented to me. If it had more of that bakery component, I would probably get more of it and would continue to do it this fall. But since I'm mostly getting toasted coconut, I find that it's just not bakery fall enough for me. So also, just before I end this video, I do kind of want to talk about how I have it propped up here on the candle lamp. I was using these lids from Bath & Body Works, they're just all from candles. There's 3 of them. One's this candle, and then I just have 2 others from candles that are finished or in the crock. And that was working, but it's very unstable, as you can tell. So I don't know if you'll be able to see this because thankfully it's kind of discreet, but I actually have a top of a warmer dish from Walmart. It's flipped upside down. Let's see if I can you see this? I have it flipped upside down, but it's kind of just more sturdy. It's not like going anywhere, and it's kind of about the same height as those lids, but it just helps me get my candle up a little bit higher. And I find that it doesn't look horrible, like it's not, a can of chicken or something, because I did get out a can of chicken and I was like, no, I cannot put this under my candle. That looks disgusting. But it's kind of hidden. I feel like you really can't see it, especially when the candle lamp is on. I am heading out later today. I probably will leave this on maybe for a couple more hours, but I am going to put some fresh wax in. So it may really get overthrown by the wax I put in just because it is a lighter scent. But like I said, it is more of a mixer for me. And I feel like if you're buying the scent to like scent up your whole house and it's the only one you want to have going, it may not be the best choice for that. So that's my review of it. Just a little bit on the candle lamp as well. You will see a lot more of my candle reviews probably right in this spot under this candle lamp. If you have specific questions about the candle lamp, let me know. I'm really enjoying them. I actually went out and bought a second one. I think I shared that with you guys. Maybe I didn't. I actually went out and bought a second one because I'm enjoying it so much. So yeah. Let me know if you guys have any specific questions down below. I can make a separate in-depth review about the candle lamp itself. But if you don't have any real specific questions, then maybe this will just help and I'll speak on them in other candle review videos. So thanks so much for watching. I have so many other candles to talk about. So if you enjoy that, stay tuned and subscribe. But that's all I have for today. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.